All right, it's okay.
Yeah. So we're going to look at how to do the complete onboarding, right from creating the email, creating the HubSpot, and then giving the thing. Keisha, can you just show us how to create the email quickly? We have seen it once, but it is always good to see it quickly. So Keisha, please, can you please show us how to create the email? Thank you.
Yes, to make a start, I think we need to start by entering the website. If I can, let me do it very quickly here. One.com. Then you enter. You click enter, and then here the URL will come with the email web hosting. And then already I'm logged in. I forget to log out when I was in before. So let me log in so that I start afresh. Sorry. Yes, yeah. Then you'll need sorry, let me restart it. I think there is something that I'm missing out. I want to log out. So to start, you need to, after you've put on the website one.com, and then it will take you to this page, which you will click login. When you click login, and then you'll be taken to either by clicking webmail, you'll be taken to log in as your normal email, not admin email. But for you to create an email, you must always click on control panel. Control panel allows admin emails. So you click it, and then you put your admin email credentials. Mine are already there, and then you log in. Yes, immediately when you come to this screen, you haven't started yet, and then you need to click SIMO. So after clicking SIMO here, you'll be a button for you to create a new account. But before you do that, maybe if you want to make any change on an email that you've created previously, or you want perhaps we've created 2 emails. Maybe somebody you've created an email of somebody and you want to change a name, so you needed to remove that email first, and then you create that email afresh. Take an example of maybe I wanted to remove I want to remove Kiza here. You'll simply have to search it in the search box, and then you come, there is a button here, there is an icon, a setting icon here that you'll click, and later on you'll be given the options either to change a password, or to deactivate, or to delete that account. So if you want to make any change, delete or deactivate any account. And then if you want to create a new one, it is this button, a new account, and then you click it. After you click it, so you'll be given a place to put the address, and then with the password there, and then the password to be repeated the same, and then you click create. So practically, you need we wanted to create an email for Abdi Fattah Mohammed. So when you take a look, you see that Abdi Fattah starts with a capital letter, and Mohammed also starts with a capital letter. And we always take the 2 first name of graduate when you are creating an email. What you will do, we always separate the 2 names using dot, and then you will separate it using the dot, the 2 names. But still, when you try to create an email like that, when I put the password here, when I put the password here, by default, we put Kakuma 2019 or Kiziba 2019 by having the first letter capital. But you will notice later here, the system will refuse to create this email The reason why it is you'll be told there will be a notification here said the address contains invalid characters. So the invalid characters that we have here is simply the capital letters. So all the letters should be small letters. So I will remove this capital letter. We also have another capital letter here, M, and then all are already, sorry, are in small letters. And then one more thing, when the space, if there's any space, maybe when you put the capital letter, you find that all the letters are small, but still when you click create, the system will still tell you that the address contains invalid characters. Just inside the box, and you'll find that there is another space that has been created. After Mohammed, there is a space, which means that you've created a space, so the system will refuse to create a space between the username and the domain name. So you'll remove that space. If there is any question, please you let me know. So thereafter, and then you click create, and then when you click creator, and then you've created that email. You can still come and confirm if the email has really you've created it. With the search, there is no problem. You can put small letters, capital letters. Still, it won't. It will be detected. So here is the email. So this is how we create the email. I don't know if there is anything that I missed, but this is the whole process. It is a very short process, by the way. Thank you. If there is any question, maybe let me know.
Yeah, excuse me, then, Fiza?
Yes.
Yes, like I had network complications. Please, could you please try to repeat the process?
Okay,
sorry,
perfect.
Jackson, I'm recording this so you can watch this again.
All right.
Any questions or doubts for Keisha? It's quite easy. Log into one.com, click new account. It should take you less than 60 seconds to do this work.
Sure,
less than 60 seconds for one person, like 1 minute for one person. Okay. We will do a small practice session right now. After we finish, all of you can take 10 emails and, start creating 10 emails in like, 10 minutes. Okay. But before we do that, let's quickly go to, the next one, which is HubSpot username creation. Jason, do you want to do it, or you want Keisha to continue?
And I have a question.
Yeah, go ahead, Yasmin.
And when he was logging into that,
if
using
Keisha is
the
logged in
control
his
panel,
computer, maybe continue.
which credentials are we using to log in? Are we using our email account?
Yes. We can use all our own email accounts to log in. Yes, Yasmin.
Hello.
But I have tried it. It was refusing.
Oh, okay. Because I have not given the access rights yet. I'm going to give it the access rights in another 5 minutes. That's why I said, you will all practice it after we, finish this. Yeah, absolutely. Keisha, you want to show them, how to do the HubSpot creation? Keisha, you're on mute if you're talking. Huh?
I'm sorry. Yes, with Hubspot here, it is also much easy. I think it's just normal. You'll just log into your Hubspot just the way you normally log in. Like myself, I'm using my own account to do this. So what you need to start, you'll come. There's a button here, a settings button, icon, I mean, and then you click it. So after clicking it, you come to the users and teams. You click it, and then after after clicking user and teams, and then here are all our graduate that we've created already the account. If you want to search one, you can search it in the box here, but we're not interested in that. So you come here to create a new user by clicking the create user button. So you click it, and then here you put the email, like the email that we've created for Mohammed. We can also the easiest. Let me copy the same email from the. Let me create. Let me copy the email from. Yeah, here is the email. Sorry if you are not able to see. Yes, here you put the email. I've already copied the email. Huh? You put the email, and then here you can put as many email as you want. Huh? It doesn't. You don't have to create one or the other, but you can. When you have several, like what I did yesterday, I had a number of emails that I created the Hubspot account for, and then what I've been doing it is when you put the first email, just click enter. Another space for creating another email will come. If you put another email, you press enter. You create another email, you press enter. As many emails as you can. There's no problem. So because we have only one that we want to create the Hubspot for, and then you click. There is a next here. There's next button at my bottom right at the corner. At my corner here on my right hand. So you press enter, and then here when you'll be taken to give them the permissions, either to do the editing that we normally do, or maybe they can. I don't know if they have a if they can assign the contact. I don't know, and yeah. The editing that we normally do to edit the leader status and so on, you need to give them the access. You remember we had an experience last time when I just started this. We had a problem of some graduates that they were not able to access the edit button. It was a matter of it was because of what I'm show here in a few minutes. So what you do to give them access, you click here the object access. And then you scroll up, and then here we have you give them access to communicator, give them access to editor, you give them access to view, and this has to be given only to the owner. Somebody owns the account should be doing that. So to do that, you click here owned only. We don't have to do. We don't have our account does not allow us to do any delete. If you have a contact in your Hubspot to delete, we don't have access to that, but you can edit. You click edit. This is to give them access to do any edit. They did status plus the other editing that they might be able to do. And in here, you give them access even to view. You also click on. They should be all on. And immediately when you click on, it will come like this, and assigned. After each all, and then you click
Kisha,
next.
Kisha.
Yes.
This unassigned also should be removed, Kisha. This is the reason why many people were start seeing, some extra contacts. So you should only be able to see owned, number one. Okay, so remove the unassigned. Okay, number one. Number two, right? You don't have to click owned 3 times. If you come to
you can click here. You can click on at one time, and then
all of them will become owned.
Oh yes. Particularly when you click the last one here.
Yes.
View. It will click the rest of all. So when you click them all, I think the unsigned will automatically be checked. So you uncheck them.
Yes.
My teacher Jason has not told me this.
Okay.
I'm sorry. So yes, you click and then you click next. This is all you need to do. And then you click next, and then here after, and then you click again. You click send. There is a send button here.
Sorry, Kisa, we can continue.
Yes.
Kisa?
Yes, I can hear
just
you.
I just want to take you back for a few minutes. By the time you are ticking, editing, before Anis corrected you, we saw that in every box it was ticked, in every box. But
Yes.
by the time Anis corrected you that you can only tick the last one, which is viewed, and then you'll be select the rest. But in the small boxes, it was not ticked.
That's okay, Yaradi. You know, let's see one more user. Kisha, just create one more user and then, you know, just do the simple thing, you know.
Yes,
that Abdi Fahad was created, isn't it? So you have to create one more email, maybe. I don't know.
yes. Can we get another email very quickly?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think there's another one in the registration. Abdurrahman.
Yeah.
Abdirahman.
Abdirahman, who? You correct me the Abdirahman.
No,
Abdirahman who?
Abdirahman Mohammed.
but
Abdurrahman.
he had three
Mohammed.
names, huh? So be careful. He has three big names.
I think we only
Abdirahman.
put two,
Is
yeah.
it with the H in there or?
But I'm looking at the profile. He has two names.
Yes,
So
Abdurrahman.
let me send you the name in the WhatsApp.
Yeah,
in that,
sure. Yeah.
The chat. The chat.
Yeah. Okay, this is better. This is better. It's actually Abdur.
Is this that you've shared already?
Yeah, it's there in the chat.
Okay.
Click on the chat and it will be there.
Yes, I've seen it already. So you bring the name here. Remember, again, remove the capital letters. So I think Jackson, you can take advantage of getting what was your question here.
Yeah, sure. I'm following Kiza.
And always, you know, we use the same password. Okay, for everything we use the same password so that, you know, everybody knows the password, and we can change the password as soon as the, you know, person gets it. So, but otherwise it's always K capital Kakuma 2019. That's it.
Or when there is something that when you've filled everything and yet it doesn't create, this means that it has taken a longer time. So the dashboard here has taken a longer time than it is expected. So you need to go back to the dashboard and then you log in again.
Okay.
You log in again.
Some problem, huh? By the way. Okay.
Yeah, maybe it is a timeout.
Timeout. Okay. Yeah. Because you kept doing so many things. And,
yeah. So I can get is it Abdurrahman? Can simply get the email here. You need to create it. Yes. So here, when I think I've already clicked create a new user, and then you click it here in the email, and then you go next. And then after next.
Slow. Yeah, just here, just click only one time and see what happens.
So right here, sometimes you want to see the screen coming like this. You'll find these two buttons closer like this. So click this one, what is under object access. So come here, view, particularly view. When you click view, all of them will be all of them will have on only. So you need to uncheck unassigned only, uncheck all unassigned. Then yeah, you go next. And then here you go send, and then you click done. So when I search for this account here, I will get it. It's already in the system. So it takes very short moments for it to get complete. Any question? I think that's all about creating a user in the Hubspot. Thank you.
Oh, hello.
Yes.
Thank you for creating account for Hubspot and also the another one. But my question is, how are you going to assign them the 400 contacts? May you continue so that we know also that one.
Okay. So you'll just come here, then you click contact. That's what I do. Then you click contact here. You go back. And then here, the only account that we are using to assign the contact is Get CRM. And then you come to the owner. You come to the owner, and then you type in the search box. You type Get Get CRM. Here it is. You only wanted to get the contact that are in Get CRM. You see, we have like 300,000. This is the all contact that we have. We have already sent those who have connected with us and those who have not sent. Those who have not contacted yet. They are in this 300 with all of our accounts. But if we only want to get the account that are in a CRM, and then you need to have a contact owner, and then the contact owner that we are using for assigning the contact, it is a Get CRM. So you click it, you check it for us to only have the contact in the Get CRM. When you check it, you'll find here the contact owner we only have one, which is the Get CRM. You can add as many, but for the sake of assigning, we only need one account to Get CRM. So these are the accounts that these are the contacts we have. So far we have 8,000 contacts, and then just the same way that you do, yeah, you edit the status. I think you edit this by clicking when you've contacted all. When you've contacted all like of this page, and then you check the box that is behind the name. I think you go here, but for the assigning, then you need to come to assign. And then you assign. And then you click the box where there is owner, and then such a box will come, and then you search the name. Like what I do, you can search Abdurrahman, because we have so many Abdurrahman. Because I've already copied the email of Abdurrahman, I will simply paste the email of Abdurrahman there. But you can simply search by the name. There is no problem still. But to ease the process, for me, I normally have to copy the email and then bring the email here so that I only get the real email that I want. And then you click it, and then you assign. Immediately after assigning this contact here, the contact owner will get changed. We'll have Abdurrahman here. After a while, you see here Abdurrahman. Yes, Abdurrahman. So here you don't come again. You don't have to come again here at assigning and assign. You'll be assigning the same as the same contact that you have assigned to Abdurrahman. So to the second page, and then continue the same process. 100, and then you need to ensure that so that you don't do it several times. Ensure that your page you have a page with 100 contacts. You repeat the same process. That's the same process. Yes, the same process. Already have the email on my clipboard, and then I paste the email there. I click assigned. And then here again it has to change. The Get CRM will change into Abdurrahman email, showing that he is the owner of this contact. That's it. Any question?
Thank you, Giza.
Yes.
I have a question
Right.
because now you see, like what we
Kiza,
have. Hello.
Yes.
So let me continue my question. My question is like, you see, you are the only one who was creating and also giving and assigning the contacts. And now we are coming up with like we are 10 or more than that in our team. So my confusion may come. Is there a way that we can assign only a same contacts with the same person?
Yes. Yes. So if somebody, if I think Anis will distribute the duties, he will allocate the different duties to every one of us, so that we don't do the same. Maybe because if you go to us, if you go to your Hubspot and then try to assign a contact to Abdurrahman, it will go. It won't refuse.
Okay, great, thank you.
But creating email, you can't create a Hubspot for the account that has already been created. And the Hubspot will tell you that this email is already in our system. But assigning the contact, somebody has assigning the same email or the same on. I think Anis will do the action of duties so that we don't do things that are
Okay, thank you. The more clarification will be Anis will give us. Thank you.
All right, yeah.
Kiza.
Yes.
Okay, I don't know whether you've also talked about this, but our team should also understand that we don't only send the invites, the HubSpot invite to our new graduates, but you also go to their emails, create the HubSpots, and then hand over everything to the graduates so that they may not struggle a lot. So they have their step-up.1 email, they have the password, and the same password will be maintained when we are creating the HubSpots, so that it's very easy for them to, interact with all the platforms.
Yeah, perfect. Yeah.
Can you, that's a very important one.
So after sending the invite, you need to go to that email and log in yourself so that you finish creating the HubSpots.
Oh, sure, yeah. So, like for instance, what a JSON means here. Let me try it. Here. What a JSON means here is.
Kisha, if I can jump in, what Jason is saying is extremely important. We found lots of people struggling with this step. Okay, and what is that step? They will get an email. They have to click on that email and create their own HubSpot account. HubSpot account, even though we have created it, they have to click on that email and come inside. But many people were struggling. So what Jason has done is he has done that job also for them and just simply give them username and password. That's it.
Oh, perfect. Yeah.
Okay,
I got it.
Yeah, you got it right, Kisha. Because when you created Kisha, you never created password. You remember? You only created username. Okay. Sure, now show them how. Yeah.
So what JSON means here, it is the same process, and then you log in, you go to one.com, you log in, and then here you don't have to log in by control panel because it is the normal email. Let me take Abdurrahman email here because that's what I have, and then the password, it is a Kakuma. Remember when we created a HubSpot, immediately the invite is sent to Abdurrahman email. So Abdurrahman, when he logs in into email, he will get the invite from the HubSpot that there is an email that has been created. There is a HubSpot that has been created for you. So what we do instead of, have we created the dashboard for Abrama? I hope so. And try to refresh. Did you create the dashboard for Abrama?
Not sure. I don't think so, because you could have received the email.
I think
Maybe you
yeah,
have
we
to go back again.
created.
No, we
So try to
created
check.
and we send the clients.
Even we
them
send the
in draft.
clients, yes.
We created and
Yeah,
sent the
it was
clients.
created.
Created, yeah.
Abdurrahman. No, go check again. Go check again with this email, because if you have created, it should have come here.
Yeah.
I think we did for the second guy. I don't know whether we did this for this first guy.
I think this is the guy that have been assigning the contact.
Is it?
Yes.
How is it possible that this guy has not yet received the email? Go to
Invite.
spam. Oh, no, go to spam.
Oh, perfect. Yeah.
Yes, it's in spam.
Yeah. So here, there is a, yeah, I think this will, because there are some that when you send the invite, they don't join in the Hubspot, and then they stay and then stay until this invite expires. So they start again disturbing. But what I've been telling them, they come here and then they reset their password. So because it is the invite is just new, and then you just join. And then you put the first name, which is Abdurrahman Mohammed. And then you put the password here, which is Kakuma 2019. And then you continue.
Do you use Kakuma capital K or just any normal?
No, K is the capital.
Okay.
And then here you skip. A few steps here to complete. I think it is for marketing. I'm new. Just click whichever you want to. But this is, I think you know this process. So what I just wanted to say here that, yes?
No, I think just show them, the view also, just select the right view. But why no contacts?
Okay. Yeah.
See, you see, no, don't go there. Just look at this view. This view is very bad. Can you see?
Sure. Yeah.
This view is bad. If somebody is coming into this view, it's hard for them to, find where the LinkedIn URL is.
Sure. Yeah.
So select the all views and pin the view.
I think we use a step up one view.
Anything, yeah. Step up one or new step up one. And then pin it.
Then you come here, you pin it so that it doesn't have to repeat the same. So immediately when you logged in, you will come to this page with everything ready. So what you need to, so the person will have to get the email with a password, with one password, log in into the Hubspot.
Okay.
I don't know if I leave anything behind.
I don't think you did.
I have a quick question, Kija. How did you change the view to step up view?
You come to all view here.
Okay, okay.
And then you select right here. Either step up one or not a clone, but a new step up one or a step up view. Either of these has the same view.
I think we should delete all the others. Okay. All right. Can we start practicing? So now Yasmin, Westin, all of you should be able to log in. So basically, Keisha, let us show them what to do and let them do it. Okay. Okay. So all of you, can you start creating emails for maybe, like 10 people each? I'll send the email that you need to create, but like Keisha said, always look for the people. Okay, so oh boy, these people are really funny. How do I share this Excel with you? Okay, file, share, cloud. No, just let me give you just 5 names, okay, so that you can start doing this. Each of you can take one name and then just start doing it, and then I will put a proper this thing. Can I just share these names in the chat so that you can just do it? Is that okay? So this is the first name and last name. So let's say the first one is Peter Ball. What is this Peter? Is Peter Ball one name or Peter.gov? Okay, Peter Gav. I think Yasmin can do that. Second one is Richard Bigir. Again, Yasmin, just everybody check whether this is Westin can do this. Third is again Peter Ball. Third is this Loni Michael. This I think Ahmed can do. Fourth is Thorn. Oh my God, this is so difficult. These people's names are really how to. I don't know how to. God, this is why it's very important. They should just give one name. Maybe Muhammad can do this. Number 5, Abdi Fatah Dubo. That I think. Who else?
I think we've already created for that one. That's the one in the chat.
The Dubo is that guy, Abdi Fatah Dubo.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Okay, Muluk Mukhtar Baballa Mukhtar. My God. Okay, so this one I think I'll give it to Jackson. Anybody left? 6. Loparing Evans. Okay, anybody who's left can do this Loparing guy. Okay, can you see in your chat? Peter Gav, Richard Bigirmana, Loni Michael. Is that clear? Oh, Yaredi, you can do Loparing Evans.
It's okay.
Okay. So just do. I have given access to all of you. Can one of you who's doing this share their screen while doing this, or you want Keisha to be sharing the screen itself?
I can share my screen.